Okay, Rod, we just walked into the Webster swap meet and I'm seeing lots of people here. Lots of bikes parked in the parking lot, that kind of thing. I guess we'll just start walking through. Some old cars over here. Oh, the sun's trying to just peek itself out right now. Peek out and warm us up, brother. Gosh, it must have dropped down to, 75 or something. Oh, they're drinking beer? Nah, not bikers. There's the bathrooms in case you gotta go to the bathroom, Rod. You wanna go to the bathroom? Oh my God. Dang, way different from a month ago. Remember we got rained out, as I was saying? Clay bar wax. Huh. Oh! There you go. What I really need is this tow truck. You know what? Rod, why don't you come down in a bus like this? I can see myself in my tire. Far out. Yeah, that's the way to go. What does that say? I'm looking for saddlebags, floorboards. I'd like to get another pair of gloves because the ones I had for years kind of shrank. Maybe an FXR seat. Maybe a military dog tag. Maybe that's what I need. That way I could know who I am. You know what?
Yeah.
Oh, what's so funny? I'm kind of just running through a little quick here. Actually, it's an adverb, isn't it? Quickly. Look at this thing. Flash. The things you see when you get out of the house, you know what? Oh, it's only 106 cubic inches? Oh, well. Bikers.
Style pellets? Hanging?
No. Oh, I have a housing. You want a housing?
Let's see if it fits in this little bad boy.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy the show today, Rod. Ah, I'm smelling patchouli. What the hell is this? It's a Yammer Hammer. Holy mackerel. I wonder where they got the idea for the hardtail frame and the.
Right, like you put ball on wrong. Don't try thinking, brother. Yeah. 48.
Oh, motorcycles. Oh, crash bars. Hi. I get here and I do my quick walkthrough and look at everything and then and then come back and wheel and deal. Yeah, this is the Webster I know and love. Come on down to the motorhome, why don't you? You know, you can't ride across the street over here, you can camp out. Look at all these cars across the street. Well, this is the biggest I've seen it in about a year, obviously. Hold on, it don't look like there's a heck of a lot down this aisle. Ta-da, ta-da, ta. Well, fat boy. Fiberglass trike set up. Honda Comstar front wheel. You know, when I woke up this morning, I said, you know what I need? I need some ornate bowling pins.
You have one of those down the You know where there's one?
I smell pancakes and syrup right now. Pancakes and syrup. Oh, real strong. I wonder who's doing that. Holy cow, it's like there was a pancakes and syrup explosion, man. It's really... Alright, that's right. I might be stopping for lunch earlier than I thought. What I'll do is I'll probably go down this aisle and finish doing that and then shut the tape off and go to the next one. If it's less than 15 minutes or something like that, I don't need any kind of like a license or whatever it takes, ID to put stuff on YouTube.
Yeah. Right.
And he really wanted to see how what's in it. Easy to do, little ass.
Gloves. All right, I think I'm going to shut this off.